Hello, beloved friends. I'm Reverend Kira Bayer at Unity Bay Area, Houston. And today I'm here to invite us into the second part of our series on Unity Roots and Wings. And this is the time we talk about Christ as a verb. In Unity, we teach that each and every one of us contain the spark of divinity within us, and that spark of divinity is a living presence. We call it the Christ consciousness. We recognize Jesus as our way shower who demonstrated how to become a living presence for that Christ, how to take on the Christ consciousness. Well, I want to invite us into understanding it is not a static principle or something we take on as a one-time thing, but truly becomes a living essence within us. So when we understand that Christ is a verb, it is an action, an active principle within us that is alive and guides and nurtures and sustains the truth of our divinity, our spark of light and life, and it moves through us in magnificent ways to bring our life into alignment with the divine laws of the universe. The Christing that is happening within every one of us, that is already a living principle within us, is what we're invited to acknowledge, celebrate, live from. Allow it to grow, to yeast in us a fertile ground of Christ consciousness. So we'll have an opportunity to explore this more on Sunday. I hope you'll join me. Come yeast yourself in the yummy deliciousness that truly brings forth life in a new and expanded and dynamic way. Let's understand and live the reality that Christ is a verb. Join us Sunday morning, 10:30 a.m., Unity Bay Area, Houston. Look forward to having your youth and families with us, and we'll be Christing together.